You so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends.
I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should stop, but I'm in my bag for real. Chopper sing like it's a choir with that mag for real.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we back at it again with the wigs lay-in. So I'm just showing you guys that I already parted and separated the hair into the sections that I was going to use, the side that I'm going to do the design on, and then the side that I'm going to do the black and red colors on. Right here I'm just putting some conditioner in between the parts so the color doesn't transfer over onto the side that, you know, it's not supposed to be on. So my camera did end up dying and I didn't realize. So this is the outcome of the first part of what we're doing to this wig. Now I let this part sit for like a good day. I left it for a day because I really wanted the color to set in, because y'all see in the beginning that I didn't have enough black, so I end up using the brown. So after I let it set, we're going to start with the design. Now let me tell y'all what I noticed I was doing. For one, was the lines were too harsh. Like I was making them too pointy when they should have been more of a like a swirl, sort of, if you get what I'm saying. Y'all see a zebra print, y'all know what I'm talking about. But oh yeah, and number two, before I get into other thing, number two, yeah, the color was running, like it was kind of too runny, so y'all see that it's kind of dripping down. But at the end when we see the final look, you could tell, like you can't really tell that, you know, it happened. So I'm glad it blended it with everything, but still it was kind of bugging me. But yeah, back to the lines. So like I was saying, yeah, I was making them a little bit too pointy, as y'all could see. But going further down, probably like the fourth or fifth line, I'm actually gonna start to get it right. But the things that I didn't have like a bigger surface, you feel me? I'm so New York. I didn't have a bigger like surface on the wig, because this is a bob. I think this is like, well, I cut it, so it's probably like what, 12 inches now. So it's not really too long and it's not too big. So I did try to do my best and create and recreate the look that I was actually going for with my own little twist on it, because you know it's a different hair, different color, different everything. So I'm just gonna stop talking now and let you guys finish watching me add on the lines or whatever, and then I'll hop back into the video once I start to put the wig on. Hold on, wait. I realized I didn't even let y'all know how long I let this sit for. So I actually let this side sit for like a whole full day as well. So yeah, you gotta let it sit so it can saturate and sink in there and really get in. Okay? All right, bye y'all. All right, we are back and she is on. So I'm already adding my lace glue because I already lined the wig up with my head or whatever, so I already know where it's supposed to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add one layer here because I do not plan on having this wig on for a long period of time. I just recently cut my hair. If you don't know, make sure you follow my Instagram because you can stay up to date with me. I just recently cut my hair and I just want to let my hair breathe and, you know, do what it do. So after I add this this glue, I'm just gonna lay the wig down and let it dry, and I'm just gonna go in with the glue again and just touch up the front on any areas that are still lifting with the tip of the comb, you know, regular degular. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush she out and then give y'all a quick look at how it's looking before I go ahead and add my concealer to the part to give it more of a realistic look, because like I said, I'm not even gonna go in and pluck and customize this part right now. Like, that's what we not gonna do. Now I added concealer about 3-4 times, 3-4-5-6 times, but I just added it to my liking, and yeah, that's how it came out. Okay, so you know we can't forget the hot comb, right? You never forget the hot comb. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the hot comb through here a few times. I did flat iron and straighten the hair off camera, so that's why I'm not doing it on camera. I know y'all know how to flat iron hair already. So I'm just gonna do this, and then the next clip is just gonna be me showing you guys both sides of the hair, and then I'm just gonna end the video off real cute. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna give the girls a quick little spin. And I actually love that I decided to go all the way around with it. I think that's really cute. Here is it in a little slow-mo so y'all can really get into it. This is why I say you gotta really let the colors sit in, because you see as I move it and stuff like that, you still see the design. You still see like the idea I was going for. Like, it's so cool. This like, it came out so cute, and I got so many compliments outside. Like, you guys, I really love this wig, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to, you know, be more consistent the best way I can and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, make sure you follow my lash page. Look at these lashes. These are some handmade strips that I made. Don't forget, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out of here. Bye.
We'll be right back.